Hello, in this video I will be unboxing BLACKVIEW A70. So it's right here in front of me, and if we turn it around we'll be able to see some information like the variant that we have right now. So here's the name, A70, budget big battery king, and it has Android 11. Its camera, the screen is 6.5 by 1.7 inches HD plus LCD display, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. And here's the gigantic battery, which is 5380 mAh battery, 5 megapixels plus 13 megapixels Sony IMX258 camera, and this one comes in a fantasy black variant. It should have dark cover, and the price goes around $104 in the market currently globally. So it's US dollars. So here we have it. We can get our handy knife and actually cut the foil, because it's packed inside the foil, so we can access its insides. Here it is, and there's nothing inside this one, so we can just put it aside for now. Here's our main point of interest right here in this box, the phone itself. Let me close the knife for now. Let's pull it off. Like this. So here's the phone. We'll take a look on it in a bit, but first let's just check what's inside the box other than our phone. Here we have the cardboard that was protecting the phone, and we can open it, and there's few instructions which I can already see inside of it. So here it is. There should be only instruction inside, so it's safe to not worry about it. I don't see any SIM card needle here. Okay. The charger. It's a small one. I like the design, and it's very small, but it's just normal charger. And there's a socket, and here's the USB, which is USB, the small one, old version, and not C. Okay. So yeah, we don't get a needle in this box. I think not. There's no needle for any SD cards. And let's check just in case. It actually comes equipped with a case, right, like this. I didn't notice it at first. So it has already case equipped. It's not separate. Never seen stuff like that. Okay. Let's peel it off for now, because I want to take a look around our phone to see the SIM card insert. Okay. So I think this one actually you need to peel off the case, but I'm not sure about that. We'll need to check that out, because I don't see the SIM card insert in here. We'll take a look at the instruction in a second. We'll speed that up for you. And here's the phone. I already took the case off. Here's the camera, fingerprint scanner. It has its volume up and volume down right here, power button right here, speakers, and the charging socket, plug. Here's the microphone, jack for your headphones if you have the cabled ones. and it's protected by this screen cover, which we can peel off. And it also has already installed some screen protection as well. That's really nice, I like that. So we can peel that off and put it inside. Let's power on our phone for now. And in the meantime, I'm gonna check the instructions for SIM card. So actually second page, and yeah, you just need to peel off the cover in order to get to SIM and the storage card. There's actually 2 SIM card slots if you want that. Let's just go through this instruction until it's powered on. Okay, it's powered on. We can begin the setup. So here's the setup. We can choose the language we want to use for this one, and I'm sticking with English United States. Let's start. You can also go for emergency call if you need, or any vision or accessibility for this setup. Let's skip the mobile network connection. In this place you could actually insert your SIM card if you want. We can connect to Wi-Fi network, so here simply choose whichever network you have the password for, or it's your own Wi-Fi, and then click on it. You'll be able to insert the password for this specific Wi-Fi network. I'm just gonna do that and then click connect. So I'm connected and our phone will set up. It might take a few minutes, so just stay with me. So here we are. The setup is ready. Now we can copy any apps or data from our other device using Google. You can press next and just proceed with that step, but I don't have anything to copy. I'm just here to unbox this phone, so let's not do that. We're gonna click do not copy in order to just skip this step. Now you can log into your Google account. You can also skip it if you want. So if you want to skip it, click skip, and you'll be able to just power on your phone without the account. I'm gonna log in, so just give me 1 second. So I've just logged in, and here's getting my account information. Select any Google services you want to use on this phone. You can simply press on the switch right here if you want one. Leave it blue if you don't want it. Leave it gray like that. So select anything you want to use and then click accept. Choose your search provider, the default search engine for this phone, and in this case it's gonna be Google. You can set up your screen lock pin if you want. I'm gonna skip that. You can also select screen lock options in order to change and reveal even more options for locking your phone. So let me skip that for now. And here that should be the last step, unless there'll be a Google Assistant also, which we're gonna skip. Do it later. You can do it if you want, like always. So here's the phone. It starts unlock. Let me take it out of the case for now. Starts unlock. We can try locking it, unlocking it. No password. Very good. So yeah, that's an unlocked phone. Let's move to the settings and check the phone information. About phone. So here it is, model A70. We can see the total RAM, total the storage space, display size, your main and front camera, and all kinds of info about this particular model. So now let's lock it and take a look around, because we didn't actually check the case. Now it's kind of dirty, but I don't have anything to clean it that well. So without the case, it looks like this. It's simple, glossy black version. You can check BLACKVIEW model right here, only the Brave, designed by BLACKVIEW, assembled in China. So yeah, that's very basic, nothing special here, but it comes with this case which you can also equip on it, and on the case it also says only the Brave. So let's just stick that in, and yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.